There are probably a lot of you guys out there that's wondering why I'm just flying in my garden and why near this nearby school that I'm flying at with a 9 to 5 job and a sun that goes down about 4 o'clock every day during the winter. I don't have a lot of time. I want to go out and fly as much as possible, so I try to then go to the garden if I have very little time or if there's just a break between the rain. If I got a little more time, I'll go to the nearby school where I got permission to fly and I have a lot of space to myself and I can really develop my style and try to, well, sort of try new things and try to get a little bit faster. There's a few gaps I can fly through as well, so it's quite nice. Of course, you shouldn't neglect flying with other people because that's something else. You get a lot of experience just by watching others, seeing how they do, trying to mimic their moves. Today, and especially during the winter, I don't have a lot of time for that with my job. So instead of just sitting back and making excuses and just being on the simulator every day, I try to go out as much as possible. And sometimes that means going out into the garden or just to the nearby school to record there. Hope you enjoy the next video. See you next time. Goodbye.